in Jakarta, usually we make a project with based on research first, but we focus more on urban uh, issues. It's more about talking about the city from the context of Jakarta, and then we make a research, and then also we invite artists, young artists, to collaborate with us. Yeah, first we interested to the 70s situation in Indonesia, because uh, that was the era when Suharto regime rules the country, and there's many political change that also changed the future of the nation. So at that time, it's very, I think it's very critical, very crucial for us as an Indonesian people who just build the national character.
Several members of the Dekuda, they're students, but they come from the lower class, and they have to work as well in the city called Jakarta. And then this kind of struggling, and also this kind of issue that related to the nation at the time within the policy of the government, also forced them to become part of the student movement. And then since that, also the connection with the connection of the nation like Indonesia into Australia. At that time, we found out that several advertisements directed that if directed several ads that we have a good connection with Australia. The Kuda could have connection to Brisbane because one of the independent journalists, actually, this Rebecca Gertz Jenkins, studied there, and then also becoming a sort of independent journalist for news here. And then they met the Kuda because it's in the same compound of the art activities and also the political activities within the student movement and college movement, and all the sample of the Kuda that cannot be announced or cannot be published in Indonesia, but could it could be published here. So
Yeah, and also we found some, yeah, we know that many researcher writer from Australia write a book about Indonesian in the political situation in the 70s. So a lot of us as an Indonesian learn from Australian writer,
Yeah.
Australian researcher, about how things as a history uh, run in the 70s regime, 70s era. I mean.
I only read a bit of this book, Pig City, and also interesting to see how Chris Bailey and Ed Cooper's making the song. Perhaps the Kuda have the same kind of attitude, but it's not like quite head-to-head comparison, but in a way of this kind of spirits, because it's difficult to find so-called these spirits in Indonesia in the 70s, because nobody think about that, because especially in Jakarta. Jakarta is so fast to change because this is developing country at that time, and we have so many policies and we have so many rules, and then yeah, I mean that's why we lost until 80s what happened with this the Kuda, because we cannot track them no more.
And I mean, there's so many version about the history at that time in Indonesia.
Yeah.
So is also
It's depend who's important to do
yeah. So
sort of stories, like a
with,
myth.
with this project, we kind of I mean, as a Ruang Rupa, we kind of give our version, our perspective, how we see the 70s.